So first of all, we need to create discount page. So right from here, we have options called home, order, products, customers, content, analytics, market discount. Go to the option create discount. Now, what is your purpose of giving discount? Amount of on products, buy one get one free, something like that. Amount of order form and free shipping. So just try to have this one option and just make a one discount code. So in our case, our store name is Jungle 24. It's our discount code. Okay. So how much what's the discount value? It's 10%, and there is no condition for no minimum requirements. So all customers, valid for all customers. Maximum discount. I'm not going to give any maximum discount to users. Okay. So here you can also combine this particular discount for this particular options like product discount, order discount, shipping discount. So I'm not going to change anything. I'm not going to pick anyone because if we provide these things, then discount can be used. So here is also option to set it in date and start date. Just save discount. Okay. Now here is a specific collection asking about the specific product. So maybe product name, we can put the products from here, and this is the product. This is the product. We're going to just provide this to this. Okay, and okay. So these are our two products where we can give the discount. Okay, and in terms of percentage, now save it. So one discount pop-up is created, one discount coupon is created. Now I'm going to create shipping discount. Okay, just go to back. So it's a discount. Now I'm going to go for create another discount for free shipping. Okay, so free shipping, I think it's valid for all the countries. Okay, all customers, maximum discount. Okay, product discount, order discount. So let's see, shipping discount is free ship 24. Okay, now no minimum requirement. I think that is sufficient for right now. If we have any other thing, we can. Discount code is free shipping 24 and all the countries. You can also select on maybe some specific like Ireland, maybe some England, but right now I'm looking for all the countries. Okay, no minimum requirements. Okay, so there's no such condition to buy product, and for all customers, for limited number of times discount can be used. No, I do not want to give any specific time and time frame. So that's all. Save discount. Back. So we have a two discount, one on the offer side, one for the free shipping side. Let me check whether it is appearing on product page or not. Just let me open the actual store. So this is our actual store view. Go to the option called catalog, then go for this option. Now go for add to cart, view cart. So suppose I have one product, then continue shipping. Checkout page. So here you can see here's a discount code. Support if I want to have free shipping, then we can go for discount and go for free shipping. So this is our free ship 24. So here is a free ship 24. Okay, apply. So here is we can offer free shipping, and if we offer something like some product 10% discount, then we go for jungle 24. Same way with jungle 24. Apply. No, this forms. So it means that the discount coupons are working, and also free shipping are also working. So in this way we can create free shipping options and maybe some some discount codes inside the Shopify. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, any question, feel free to ask in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.